Hello people. So this particular video, my 5-year-old wants to speak. So Ayush, tell us something. What you're checking your, what you're doing. Ayush, tell us about your favorite channel on YouTube. Which is your favorite channel? Is it Ethan and Coley or is it Ryan's Toy Review? Which is your favorite channel? This is a 5-year-old's review of the best children's channel on YouTube.
Ethan and Cole.
Ethan and Cole. Why do you like that channel so much?
Because they have so much Nerf guns.
They have Nerf guns.
Yeah, they shoot all the time.
Really? Okay. And then Ethan and Cole might watch this video. You want to say something to them?
Huh? How can they be added?
No, we can.
No. They live in South America.
South America, really? So, in case Ethan and Cole watch this channel, do you want to say something to them?
Hi.
Hi.
Then you come into my YouTube and watch it, okay? This will be a scary one.
Okay, like that. So this is a video from a 5-year-old. We'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Yes. And you have to do after my video.
Okay, thanks for watching people and please subscribe.